This podcast is brought to you by
Ask it, learn it, let your mind arrive. Future starts here on Pathfinder's Life. Ask it, learn it, let your mind.
So, Ms. Kulsoom, to start us off, why don't you tell us what inspired you to get into this field of education and curriculum?
Alright, so I had been working as a teacher, as an online teacher for 3 years. So I used to teach online and it was on a platform called Preply. So उस platform में क्या होता है कि you make a video of yourself and then you upload it that you are offering a service to teach English. So उस वक्त मुझे it was right after this was actually in my 3rd year of university. So I saw my friend doing that and I wanted to earn as well. तो वहाँ से मैंने उसको देखा था and I was like, you know what, she's teaching it, so maybe I could do it as well. And I started teaching. So when I started doing it, I ended up teaching for like 3 years. So मैंने वहाँ पे project managers को भी पढ़ाया and there were like kids 6 साल के बच्चे से लेके मैंने 56 years के लोगों तक को पढ़ाया within 3 years. तो वहाँ से मेरी teaching skills develop हुई, communication skills develop हुई. एंड ओवर टाइम मुझे डिज़ाइनिंग का बहुत शौक था तो वो मैंने अलग से यूट्यूब से सीखना शुरू कर दिया. GFX मेंटर का बहुत फेमस चैनल है तो एडोबे इलस्ट्रेटर वहाँ से सीखना शुरू कर दिया, खुद से डिज़ाइनिंग शुरू कर दी और करते करते आई जस्ट कंबाइन बोथ ऑफ दीज थिंग्स एंड स्टार्टेड पोस्टिंग ऑन लिंक्डइन बुक्स की समरीज इन्फोग्राफिक्स बना के. एंड देन वन डे आई गॉट a job offer as an instructional designer. I didn't know what it was back then. It was just like a position that they were like, it's an educational position. Are you interested in this? And that was my first job. So that's how I got into instructional design.
So, was it hard managing your university and that online job?
No, it was like, because I graduated during the time of COVID. तो वो हुआ था कि मैं घर पे होती थी and I had ample time to manage both of these things. तो वो सुबह 6 बजे भी क्लासेस होती थी तो मैं ले लेती आराम से कि मैं 6 बजे क्लास ले रही हूँ 1 घंटे की and then I have like a class at 2 p.m. in the evening in the afternoon. तो फिर इस तरह से मैं मैनेज कर लेती थी.
That's great. Means like you had a schedule.
Yes, so it was like all over the place honestly. क्योंकि कुछ लोग 6 बजे सुबह पढ़ाने के लिए मतलब उन्हें उठते होते थे क्योंकि उनका US टाइमिंग था. So it was like 6 p.m. there in the US. तो मुझे फिर सुबह 6 बजे उठना होता था वो 1 घंटे. और कुछ टाइम ऐसा भी होता था कि like they would miss out the classes, they would come. So फिर मैंने उस तरह से सीखा कि how do I put boundaries here कि किस तरह से rules बनाने हैं. So I learned how to do my own business as well through that.
Okay, great. So now grade 7 students will come up and ask their questions.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Manal Fatma and I am from grade 7.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Pareen Fatma and I am also from grade 7.
So, I have some questions for you. Before I am asking those questions to you, I want to know that have you written any horror story yet?
No, I have not. I haven't written any horror stories. I've been through a lot of horror stories, but I've never written any.
So, my first question is, do you ever dream about book ideas too?
Yes, I have written one book that I am looking for a publisher to publish it. It's a children's book and it's about my own story. So, I am trying to do that.
Today I have some questions for you. So before I start asking you those questions, do you like winter season?
Oh, yes, definitely.
Okay. So my first question is, can you share your experience of writing your first ever book?
Okay, so my first ever book was actually not a children's book. It was about how to write clearly and how to think clearly so that you can apply for scholarships abroad. It was in collaboration with Khala Rizwan. वो लाहौर में होती हैं. She is a Fulbrighter, which is a scholarship offered by USA. एक program है Fulbright. तो she found me on LinkedIn. Again, मेरी story में LinkedIn बहुत बार mention होगा because my whole career was practically built on LinkedIn. तो शी फाउंड मी ऑन लिंक्डइन, तो उन्होंने मुझसे बोला था, एंड शी फाउंड माई राइटिंग टू बी वेरी सिमिलर टू हर्स, सो शी ऑफर्ड अ कोलैबोरेशन एंड देन वी एंडेड अप राइटिंग वन थिंग बेटर. सो बेसिकली इसमें जितनी भी राइटिंग आपको किस तरह से सोचना है, आप अगर रोड ब्लॉक्स आपके पास आ जाएं लिखते लिखते, उसमें क्या करना है, कौन से फ्रेजेस यूज़ करने हैं, एक्टिव वॉइस कब यूज़ करनी है, पैसिव वॉइस कब यूज़ करनी है, व्हेन यू राइटिंग योर स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पस. क्योंकि स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पस जब आप लिखते हैं, सो यू नीड टू हैव अ clarity on where are you going, where are you now, and how you can combine your strengths and pitch yourself to the university कि you are the one that is right for the program. So वो किस तरह से लिखना होता है, उसमें बहुत सारी advices, suggestions हैं जो कि एक फर्स्ट टाइम या सेकेंड टाइम जब आप अप्लाई कर रहे होते हैं और उसमें जो आप रोड ब्लॉक्स को फेस करते हैं, so you can get a lot of help from this.
Oh, yes. So my second question is, you have worked with different educational organizations. What does your day-to-day routine look like?
Okay, so right now I'm working as a full-time employee, and I have a night job. So my day-to-day routine right now looks like, so it starts at 8 p.m. because 8 to 5 p.m. is my night job. So I'm usually awake in those hours, and to get some sunlight, I go to my university, which is IBA. तो मैं 2 बजे वहाँ पे उठ के भाग जाती हूँ so that I get some sunlight. वहाँ पे कॉफ़ी पीऊँ, थोड़ा सा टेबल टेनिस खेलूँ, and then come back at 6, थोड़ा सा फ्रेंड्स वगैरह से मिलूँ, and then I come back at 6 or 7, and then I get some relaxation, and then I start working again. So यही घूमता रहता है. And then I have classes on Saturdays. तो मैं अपनी वो क्लास मास्टर्स की क्लास लेने जाती हूँ सैटरडेज को. तो ये सब होता है.
So my second question is, when it comes to reading, which genre do you like the most?
So when it comes to reading, so I used to be a huge fan of Harry Potter. Right, so it was the first book because मुझे ना while I was growing up I didn't know how to speak English. ठीक है, तो मैं उर्दू मीडियम में मैंने पढ़ा था 5th क्लास तक. उसके बाद मैं इंग्लिश मीडियम में गई थी, तो मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती थी उस वक्त, तो ना इंग्लिश स्टोरी बुक्स पढ़ने का कोई इतना रुझान था हमारे घर में. बट व्हेन आई लर्न हाउ टू स्पीक इंग्लिश, तब मैंने कोई सेकेंड ईयर के जब कंप्लीट कर लिया था, देन आई गॉट इनटू बुक्स. तो फिर मैंने, एंड आई डिडंट इवन नो कि हैरी पॉटर एक उस पे बनी मैजिकल दुनिया में बनी हुई है, एंड ही इज़ ए मैजिशियन. सो आई डिडंट नो दैट, राइट. सो okay, what was the question, sorry?
When it comes to reading, which genre do you like the most?
So I liked Harry Potter a lot, and then I loved reading The Hunger Games. So in types के genres मुझे बहुत पसंद थे fiction, and then I really got into non-fiction as I was growing up because I wanted to learn how to speak properly, how to write, how to be productive. Adulthood की सारी जो चीज़ें होती हैं वो बस उसको अच्छा करने के लिए, अपना को बेहतर करने के लिए. Atomic Habits is a really good book. Everybody should read it. Like, that's the one self-help book that I would recommend, is just read Atomic Habits, and that would be it. So it's like a mix.
Thank you for giving your time.
Yes, of course.
Now it's time for grade 8 students to come up and ask their questions.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aima Yasir. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Samia Zahid. We are from grade 8. Today, me and my friend are going to ask you a few questions. So, have you seen the previous episode of our podcast yet?
I did see the first episode, I think so, but only a little bit.
First of all, could you please tell us a little bit about the book that you are about to publish?
Okay, so I'm not sure if it's going to be published or not. I'm still looking for a publisher. But it's a book about how I navigated my own career, and because I had very little guidance growing up when it came to career. या फिर क्या पढ़ना है, क्या नहीं पढ़ना, किससे गाइड लेनी है. तो it's about that story of how I built a path for myself and why I built a path for myself. That's the story.
For my question, I want to ask, have you started writing or thinking about ideas for your next project yet?
अभी तो मैं, because I'm a full-time employee right now and I'm also a full-time student as well, so it's very hard to come up with new ideas. I'm also working on my फाइनल ईयर प्रोजेक्ट. तो अभी तो मेरे पास कोई आइडियाज नहीं है, बट दिस इज द बुक, लाइक द बुक दैट आई टॉक्ड अबाउट, दैट्स द ओनली थिंग दैट आई नीड टू कंप्लीट इट एक्चुअली. सो दैट्स what's happening.
Okay.
So my second question is, have you imagined how you are going to feel when your book gets published?
Okay, so actually, one of my like the first book that I ever published, it was actually a very good experience actually, because holding your book in your hand is a very different experience. So मजा आता है आपको देख के कि there is something, especially like because this book was a digital book first. But जब हम लोग की sales बढ़ रही थी, so we decided to go with a hard copy, and then it's a different experience. आपको बड़ा अच्छा लगता है कि actually did something in my life.
For my last question, as an educator, which cause are you most proud to be working for?
Which cause? I think so. In terms of education, I would say I am very much for. I always try to give career advice to women and girls कि वो किस तरह से अपना career बना सकती हैं, because it's very important to have autonomy when it comes to decision making. It's very important कि आपके पास financial stability हो. So how you can do that as a woman, because वो सब जो एक woman की struggle है वो पूरी दुनिया में एक जैसी होती है, regardless of the country. So that's what I am very passionate about and I talk about.
Thank you for your time.
We love learning from you.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
So, Miss Kulsoom, I'm really intrigued by your busy schedule. So, I want to know, how did you manage writing that book alongside with all your studies and your job?
Okay, so this book, the one thing better, it was, I wrote this book after I graduated. So I graduated in 2020, and then I got the offer to collaborate on this book. So I had ample of time, like I wasn't studying at that time. And I wasn't, like I was working on my own hours as well. So it was pretty manageable. Yeah, but I cannot write a book right now, honestly.
So, right now, do you get ideas in your mind that I should write another book about this?
Yes, I have a list somewhere, but it's a list and it's sitting there and it's just staring at me. So once I'm done with my masters and I'm done, like I have some stability in my life, then I will definitely go with another project.
Oh, wow. You have got everything planned. I'm really shocked. So, before we close off, I want to ask, what advice would you give to a student that loves reading or writing?
I would say आज के दौर में, because of ChatGPT, you will like आपको बहुत दिल चाहेगा कि आप अपना सारा काम GPT को दे दो, but the thing that really worked for me, अगर मैं अपने experience से बात करूँ, that writing, being able to write and being able to think is very important, and that will only come with practice. आपको जो ChatGPT है, and because right now mostly students करते भी क्या है कि they would give their readings, because हम लोगों को university में भी बहुत सारे reading assignments मिलते हैं, and then you would just put that into PDF into GPT, and then you would say कि somebody दे दो. मैंने खुद भी किया हुआ है. When you do not have time, you do that, but it affects your critical thinking skills, and it's very important कि because जिस age में आप लोग हो, it's very important कि वो स्किल आप इस वक्त डेवलप करो, और इस वक्त डेवलप कर लोगे ना तो देन यू विल हैव एम्पल ऑफ टाइम टू इम्प्रूव इट, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग टेक्स टाइम. तो आप लोग के पास इसको रिसोर्सेज की तरह यूज़ करो, एंड वर्क ऑन योर राइटिंग स्किल्स, वर्क ऑन योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, वर्क ऑन योर रीडिंग स्किल्स. नो मैटर what technology comes, what resource comes, these will be your the core skills that will help you in your career.
So, as you said that you might want to use ChatGPT while writing. So, did you ever had the thought while writing this book?
उस वक्त था नहीं. So it was published in 2023. So I think so we wrote it in 2021. So उस वक्त था नहीं.
Oh, wow. I don't really remember if it was there or not. But I think it was lockdown time. So I think in lockdown, all of us were like really bored. So Was that the way to get rid of the boredom?
No, actually, because I had just graduated, so I was actually very happy to sit at home and not do anything and just relax after 4 years of complete chaos. Because मैं बस बैचलर्स कर रही थी, तो वो अच्छा खासा मतलब सुकून वाला टाइम था उस वक्त कि आप घर पे बैठ के सुकून से, अब घर से बाहर नहीं निकलना, रोडों पे नहीं जाना, रक्शे में धक्के नहीं खाने. सो अच्छा टाइम गुजरा था.
Okay, that's really nice. Thank you to both of our guests, Ms. Kulsoom Syed and Ms. Zainab Wasif, for sharing your time, stories, and insights. And a huge round of applause for our students from grades 5 to 8 for leading this discussion with such curiosity and confidence. This has been Pathfinders Live, our very own language lab podcast, where we help students find their voice and their path. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next episode.